Welcome to the Passive Design segment of the Universal Design Living Laboratory virtual tour. In this virtual tour, we will look at the home's various passive design features, including building orientation, passive solar heating, natural lighting and ventilation, and heavy insulation. Passive design utilizes natural resources to reduce a home's energy profile. Many passive design principles are most effective when integrated during design and construction, which is what makes this home such a great example. The sun's impact on heating and cooling can be controlled by a home's orientation. In this home, the living room faces south and looks out over the back garden. There is a large 2-story window on the south wall which gets the most sun. 6-foot overhangs around the entire home are an important feature. They provide maximum window shading in the summer to keep the house cool and minimum window shading in the winter to keep the house warm. This is possible because the sun is lower in the southern sky in the winter. There are remotely controlled window shades that can be lowered and raised. They can act as additional insulation along the windows. There are skylights located throughout the home that provide both natural lighting and ventilation to interior rooms. Similarly, there are clear-story windows in the great room to provide additional natural lighting and allow for cross-ventilation of this space. This diagram helps to illustrate how natural ventilation occurs in a home. Ceiling fans were also installed in the great room to assist in air circulation, keep the room comfortable, and save energy. The exterior walls of the home are structurally insulated panels. They are made of polystyrene foam core between 2 sheets of oriented strand board. Structurally insulated panels reduce air leakage and thermal bridging as there are no studs in the wall and therefore increase the insulation value. The attic is insulated with blow-in cellulose, achieving an insulation value of R66 in the upper clear story area and R45 in the lower clear story area. Closed-cell foam was applied at the wall and ceiling intersections as well as around any penetration in the ceiling to reduce air leakage. The insulation continues into the large overhangs to go beyond the exterior walls of the home. The perimeter concrete walls in the basement are precast panels with blue board backing, making them impermeable to water penetration. This house has an additional 7.5 inches of insulation packed between the steel studs, increasing the basement's insulation value to a range of R33 to R47. This helps to reduce heat loss below grade. In summary, the Universal Design Living Laboratory was designed to incorporate several passive features to reduce the home's environmental impact. These passive design features include building orientation, which impacts how the sun enters and affects a home based on which direction it is facing. In the summer, the sun is shaded to keep the house cool. Natural lighting and ventilation coming from clear-story windows helps to light the house and allow for cross-ventilation. Heavy insulation in the walls, ceiling, and basement help prevent heat loss and reduce air leakage. The next video will cover the zoned heating, cooling, and ventilation systems within the home.